A common question I get every single day in the ecom campus is, I have all these product ideas. I've done a ton of product research, but now with all this research, how do I decide which product to test? So in this video, I'm going to give you a 4-step framework that can help you decide which product to advertise. So for example, let's say we've done our research and we want to sell this fairy light tree. So as you can see here, the AliExpress listing has 3,400 orders, 4.8 star reviews, there's plenty of variations, and the product has a wow factor. Christmas is coming up. You can buy it for $11. You can easily sell it with a 3 to 5x markup. How do you decide if this product is worth testing? So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the AliExpress listing and you want to look at the reviews and the number of orders. This product has 3,400 orders, which is a good sign that there's demand and people are interested in buying it. You have 300 plus reviews and an average review of 4.8 out of 5. In general, I would avoid products that have reviews under 4.5 or even 4.6. On AliExpress, it's always good to read the reviews of the product. So go here and click the reviews, and then through here, you can see what people think about it. You can see images of the product and see what it looks like. You can see what people think. He's beautiful. The front button is touch, and the light is white. I love. This is AliExpress's translation mechanism. It's not very accurate, but you can see what people here think about the product. There's plenty of reviews. A very beautiful and high quality product. All of these reviews can be imported into your store. Oh my god, it's so pretty. You know, it's very nice. So the first good sign that this is a product worth testing is with all of these reviews. The next thing you can do is type the product name into AliExpress and see how many listings there are. This is the listing we used. It has 3,000 orders and 4.8 star reviews. And then you can see other ones here. 775 units sold, 160 units sold. And if you scroll down, you can see many sellers selling the same product, and all of them have good reviews and a solid order amount. So based on all this information, this looks like a good product to test. So after you're done with AliExpress, the next place you want to go is to AdSpy, Minia, Facebook, or TikTok. Now the reason for this is you want to see if any of our stores are selling this product successfully. If the product is being sold by other people, it's a good sign that there's demand there and you could hop on a trend and start selling it for yourself. In this example, I went to AdSpy, I typed in the product and I came across this advertiser here. They launched the ad on the 20th of November, and as you can see, they already have 46,000 likes, 5,000 comments, and they're doing very well. You can see their ad here. You know, I bought 3 of these for my house. They're showing off the product. There's a UGC review here. There's subtitles. This advertiser, this ad creative is very, very good. And this is the value in using a tool such as AdSpy. It shows you ads that are working well in the market. You could create your own version of this ad and start running it. If you click onto the ad, you can see the actual post on Facebook. And I always recommend doing this. If you can find other businesses selling the same product, go to their ads. Look at their engagement. Look at their comments. This store here, they're easily making 6 figures per month off this product. Maybe even 7 figures. If you click shop now, you can see their site. They're selling it for £30. Christmas sale. A good product description. You can learn a lot about their store by going through their website. So they're definitely making at least 6 figures per month, if not 7. So what I recommend doing is when you go to their Facebook ad, read the comments. For every product you want to test, read the comments and see what people think about it. I have several of my own. You can see here they plant a tree for every order. So this is a cool angle you can use. I like this, but if it's battery operated, no thanks. So that could mean if you make this product without batteries, you might get more people buying it. So I'm not sure why, but that could just be an idea. I'm always skeptical of ads on Facebook, but I took a chance on this and I love it. That's a great sign. I have these, they are wonderful. I love mine and celebrate the spirit of my son. I love these. You have some very good reviews. So as you can see here, this product is absolutely crushing it for this seller. They're making fuckloads of money from this product, and it's a very good sign that if you test this product, you'll make good money. The next place to look is Amazon. Now some of you might be scared about finding the product on Amazon, but the truth is, if you see your product on Amazon, it's a very good sign that there's demand and people are buying it. If there's no competition, if nobody is selling it, it's never a good sign. People talk about saturation a lot, but the truth is, when a product is saturated, it means that there's demand there and people are buying it. And all you really have to do is advertise it better than other people and you can make good money. So go to Amazon, search the product name, see if people are selling it. You can see here, 2,200 reviews, 2,300 reviews, 650 reviews. When you find your product on there, click onto the listing, look at their product images, look at their product description, and always, always, always read their reviews. When you read their reviews, you can see the images, you can see what people think about it, and it will always give you ad angles. It will give you ideas for your website and more importantly for your ads. So you can see here, very stylish, add some cool ambient lighting to any room. I was looking for something with a warm light to have in my bedroom, and I love this. When you read through all these reviews, you can get a lot of information regarding the product and what people think about it. Okay, if you want feedback regarding the products you have picked, drop a screenshot of the product with the price included in the e-commerce branding chat and I'll be there to help. And the final way to really validate a product is to go to Google Trends. When you go to Google Trends, if you write a product in the trends, you can see how many people are searching for it currently. Right now, the product has a trend score of 84. This product has only really started trending recently. At the end of October, it had a score of 14. Within the next 2 weeks, it went up to 100. So you can see here, this product is trending right now. People are searching for it. People are interested in it, which means it's a good product to sell. Whenever you pick a product, go through these 4 steps. Go to AliExpress, go to Facebook ads to see if anyone's making money with that product, go to Amazon, and go to Google Trends. If you follow these 4 frameworks and your product fits as many of them as possible, you've possibly found yourself a winning product and you need to test it now to start making money.